Alright, we're gonna see if it'll turn over. Alright, we got it to turn over. Now we just need it to fire. Give it some gas, Dave. Alright, so we just sent the computer off, got it back from getting flashed to get rid of the security skim thing. And got this little block off plate here for evap control that we don't need anymore, so I'll get that bolted on. And we got a brake line to do, and hopefully we'll get this thing fired up today. What's the matter, Eric?
Oh, just I got
He's fighting it.
fighting up.
We should have done this brake line before we put the motor in.
Yeah, and look how much room I have.
Yeah, not a whole lot of room under there.
Film that little spot right there.
I'll just film you work. That's what I like to do. I just like watching you work. What are you doing, Dave?
Hooking up a jumper harness so we can throw the key switch power to this motor in a minute.
Sweet. I just put a new O-ring on this crazy Mustang hose down here, the radiator hose. Had a bad O-ring. Something just popped a leak.
That'd be power steering fluid.
Yeah. I couldn't find one.
So sometimes if you don't reboot, shut it.
All right, pump that up. I got you on video. I got 8 seconds. Eric is pumping.
Yeah.
All right, so we just topped off the tranny fluid. Dave's hooking up the Detroit Deviant shifter linkage assembly. Looking awfully clean under here, boys. Got a bad glare coming in from the door out there. Give you guys a little rundown here. Oh yeah. Custom exhaust. Everything's painted. Got the fuel system up there. New stainless steel brake line. Running down.
Why are we only talking to the
Huh? Well, it's so light, and then he's got a little weight.
thing moves really good.
It has plenty of power.
Yes, yeah, no shit. That thing moves. How much does that thing weigh? More than your truck.
No, probably.
Yeah, like
Wow. I mean, it's missing about 500 out of it. Something a little stinky, but
man, that thing moves good, don't it?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I'm really surprised.
All right, so we just took it for a little spin. She's running and driving. We got a little coolant leak they're working on right now. I'm in the shadows here. Well, guys, what do you think?
I think it looks great.
I was worried about it not having enough power, but I'm not worried about that now.
I think that's just fine.
I think it's gonna cruise down the road just fine. I can't wait to take Nathan for a ride, actually. All right, Eric's pulling out the AC control module that we're going to try to tap into to run the new Restomod AC. Gavin's working on the floor vibration insulation. So Dave's working on, this is the main harness, comes through the firewall. This is the inside. We're going to piece out the wires that we need to run the dash lights and do the other things. Oil pressure light. Hi, Dave.
What's up?
Alright, so this is the factory temperature control module that we're going to try to hack and use to control the Restomod so that we keep the factory look, at least the buttons, and maybe use the knob for the speed control of the fan. So we'll see what happens here. Alright, so we're closing in on some of the last things on the Coyote swap. Oh my god, you got coronavirus? Dude, don't sneeze on me.
I got Lincoln virus.
You got Lincoln virus? You're supposed to be covering your mouth or something. Alright, so we decided to change out the brake lines back here, so we're putting in this guy here. So we're putting in this stainless steel brake line from Classic Tube over the axle, and there's another little small one and a new rubber line, so we'll have all new brake lines. So we'll have all new brake lines coming from the front to the back. He's working on getting the old one out right now.
Seeing how the clip has been on there so long,
Right.
it's rotted to
The clip's been on there for 50 something years.
it's rotted to the flange.
Fun stuff,
Our car won't even do that this morning.
right? Alright, so I'm getting a little glare coming out here, but so here's the new stainless steel brake lines. This is how we did the fuel. That's the fuel pressure regulator, and that's the fuel pump up there coming in. We just did new rubber line here and new stainless lines. So we got a nice stainless line coming along the axle there. So we'll bleed those babies and it'll be good to go. Looking nice under here.
Got everything started.
All right, let me do it again. All right, I'm pumping, so I'm bleeding. Eric and I are bleeding the brakes. Dave's down here diagnosing all this freaking wiring. All right, holding. Oh yeah. Pumping. What you doing, Dave?
I'm chasing some
Holding.
wires.
Oh yeah. You don't like the dental floss bathing seats?
Oh, I like them, but I wouldn't want them on my kid.
Oh. I see. I see how you are. Got the Detroit Deviant master cylinder cover going on. The brakes all bled. The little shop engine mounts and headers fit perfect on this car. We had a little trouble at first. We had the transmission bracket backwards, which moved everything forward. Once we figured that out, it moved it back and it fit perfect around the steering box. I just wanted to put that out there. We sell the kit on our website, DetroitDeviant.com. So don't forget, if you need any of these Coyote swap parts, check us out there. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and click that notification bell. You know how it is, so that you get notified every time I put up a video. I try to upload videos every Monday morning at 8 a.m., so you have all week to watch it. Peace out, guys.